Hey guys, people just had the biggest car crash. They dropped thousands. Please don't drop my iPad. Don't want to. But they just dropped thousands of bottles. I'm gonna go downstairs and record it so I get it. I'm gonna go very quickly. Freak man, what the? Thank you, Mum! Ah! See, look. And my dad's right over there. My dad's. Comment down below if you can see this, because I'm seeing it. I'm shaking, I don't know why. If you're wondering why my vision's not that good, so I'm shaking. My dad's over there too. This big truck just crashed all their cans. Sorry that I couldn't record you when they did crash it, because I was too late coming out. Look at that! A car just crashed. There's so much cocaine. Make sure you like this. Is one of the biggest experiences. I wish I could go closer, but I can't. That's as close as I'm gonna get, guys. Whew. Wow. Just take a moment to experience how a car just dropped all these Coke cans. Wow. Just wow. Sorry it's a bit bright, but I'm just recording. Okay, lady's coming and I need to. But holy toad, man of love. Here you go. Up in the balcony is quite actually better, so you get shade. Look at that. Okay, that is only a one-time experience. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below, because I've never seen a car like crash or like again. Okay, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, bye.